Winter is here, and while the season brings cozy sweaters and hot chocolate, it also brings sneezes, sniffles, and seasonal health challenges. But, what if I told you the secret to a flu-free, energized, and enjoyable winter is sitting right in your kitchen? Today, on Kitchen Hospital, we're diving into the best vegetables, fruits, spices, and herbs you must include in your winter diet to stay healthy, avoid colds, and enjoy this magical season like never before. Ready to turn winter woes into winter wins? Let's get started. Winter and your body, why you need the right foods. In winter, our immune system takes a hit. Cold weather, shorter days, and viruses lurking everywhere make it harder for our bodies to stay strong. But here's the good news, the right foods can boost your immunity, keep you warm, and even uplift your mood. What to look for in winter foods? 1. Vitamin C, to fight infections. 2. Iron and zinc, for a strong immune system. 3. Antioxidants, to reduce inflammation. 4. Warming properties, to keep your body cozy and balanced. Best vegetables for winter health. Let's start with the heroes of winter, vegetables. Packed with nutrients and easy to include in hearty soups, stews, and roasts, these are your best bets. 1. Broccoli and cauliflower. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to fight infections. Sulforaphane boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Tip. Steam them lightly to preserve their nutrients. 2. Spinach and kale. High in iron, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. Helps combat fatigue and boosts red blood cell production. Tip. Add to smoothies, soups, or stir-fries for a nutrient punch. 3. Carrots. Packed with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A for a stronger immune system. Their natural sweetness makes them perfect for soups or roasted dishes. 4. Sweet potatoes. A warming, nutrient-dense carb loaded with vitamin A and fiber. Tip. Bake them with a drizzle of olive oil and cinnamon for a cozy snack. Winter fruits to keep illness away. Next, let's talk fruits. Nature's candy is not just delicious, but also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals your body craves during winter. 1. Oranges and citrus fruits. Loaded with vitamin C to strengthen immunity. Keeps your skin glowing, despite the harsh winter air. Tip. Start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice. 2. Apples. High in antioxidants and fiber to aid digestion and immunity. Fun fact. An apple a day keeps not just the doctor away, but also the winter flu. 3. Pomegranates. Rich in polyphenol, which protect against inflammation. Tip. Sprinkle the seeds over yogurt or salads for a health boost. 4. Kiwi. More vitamin C than an orange. Improves respiratory health and reduces cold symptoms. Spices that warm and heal. Did you know that spices are nature's medicine? They don't just add flavor, they warm your body and fight off infections. 1. Turmeric. Curcumin fights inflammation and boosts immunity. Tip. Mix a pinch with warm milk for a golden latte before bed. 2. Ginger. Soothes sore throats, improves digestion, and has antibacterial properties. Tip. Brew a ginger tea with honey and lemon, it's winter in a cup. 3. Cinnamon. Helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you warm. Tip. Sprinkle it over oatmeal or add it to your coffee. 4. Cloves. Antibacterial and great for respiratory health. Tip. Add to soups or herbal teas for a spicy kick. Herbs to strengthen your immunity. Finally, let's not forget the magic of herbs. These small but mighty plants pack a punch when it comes to fighting winter woes. 1. Basil and tulsi. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Tip. Use tulsi leaves in tea or soups. 2. Thyme. Helps relieve coughs and congestion. Tip. Infuse in hot water with honey for a natural remedy. 3. Mint. Soothes digestion and fights cold symptoms. Tip: add fresh mint leaves to hot water for a refreshing tea. How to use these foods daily. Here's how you can easily add these winter superfoods to your daily routine. Breakfast: smoothie with spinach, kiwi, and a touch of ginger. Warm oatmeal topped with apples, cinnamon, and honey. Lunch: broccoli and sweet potato soup with a sprinkle of thyme. Dinner: stir-fry with kale, carrots, and ginger turmeric rice. Snacks: pomegranate seeds or a warm turmeric latte. Myths and tips for winter foods. Before we wrap up, let's clear some myths about winter foods. Myth: eating fruits in winter makes you colder. Fact: fruits like oranges actually boost your immune system. Myth: spices are only for flavor. Fact: spices like turmeric and ginger are powerful healers. Storage tips. Store fruits in a cool, dry place. Keep herbs fresh by wrapping them in damp paper towels. Winter doesn't have to mean endless colds or feeling sluggish. By adding these incredible vegetables, fruits, spices, and herbs to your meals, you can boost your health and truly enjoy this magical season. So, what's stopping you? Let food be your medicine this winter.